This is John Rowland with Highland Park Lapidary. I'm going to give you the 5-minute tour of what's in the factory right now. Alright, so we just got a bunch of sheet metal in from powder, and I got bases for belt sanders and Model 6s. And I got more high-tone 12s, a big bunch of bull wheels. I think there's some 14s back there. Trays, more trays, these are the tanks for the 12s. I got a couple of 36s in the crate. Forming machine tanks. There's flat laps, a bunch, 18 flat laps. It's our new variable speed setup. And then I got a whole mess load of carriages for shaping machines. A couple 36 drop saws that are almost done. Shaping machine back here. And we're on final assembly for a huge batch of Evercleans. More Evercleans. Shaping machine hoods. We've got 18 and 24 flat laps. And a whole bunch of shaping machines. This has got some of the new refinements in it. We did a little bit of a redesign on the mechanism here, the leveling mechanism. There just came up with some idea about making them easier to assemble and maintain. And I also changed the pivot mechanism on the top of the carriage. A couple of hydraulic machines that are in final assembly. We'll be testing them this afternoon. And a couple 18-inch saws that are missing hoods, but everything else is done. A couple more hydraulic machines. And got another 36 back there. Another 36 here. And then down here we've got some more flat laps, a few hoods. There looks like 18 in the crate. 3 24s in the crates. And we got a bunch of vise castings that are now lined up for machining. Looks like a belt sander, a whole bunch of finished goods C8s, 18s, PTs. Looks like another 24, another 24, another 24, another 24. An R1M, a BW, a 16 over there, an 18 stainless. There's some 16s and 18s and high-speed spear machines and more PTs. And then just from powder coat, we've got more HT10s. There's HT14s about ready to go to powder. These are all done with hand finishing. And we've got carriages for high tones here. More here. They're in our hand finishing before they go to powder. And then we're making shafts and flanges, and this looks like a high tone 10 flange, 10-12. There's 14 flanges, a big old box of them. And it's the plugs for the upper hub on the BS. And these look like bull wheel shafts. Have no idea what that is. Have to look at the drawing. And looks like somebody just mopped the floor here. We're running vice jaws there for the 18. Some done. And that's under setup. And this is under setup. And this one here, we've been making a ton of the Phantom feed nuts. We're doing the last off on these. So that's kind of cool. But there you have it. That's the 5-minute tour.